in order for the Senator of Nyaribo to be taking issues of this honorable committee to funerals and misinterpreting some of the issues which have been discussed here with the aim of demeaning my stature. And also, I wanted the guidance because there's conflict of interest. And some of the issues he raises here which are not in the program are issues he can get straight from the office.
Governor, before I allow the minority leader, whatever may have been said there is not privy to this committee. We've not heard, and this is the first time we are engaging on this matter because it was a question which was raised. So I would request we restrict ourselves to the matters at hand so that we proceed. Whatever could have been said elsewhere, it is not in our purview kindly. So I would like we will proceed with the report.
No, Chair. You know, this is a house of record. There's a difference between being the county of Nyaribo and being before a committee of the Senate. When the governor says that matters that have been discussed before this committee have been taken to funerals, he has an obligation to be factual and to substantiate what he said. You know, those are our rules. So he must be specific. Tell us when you were here before this committee of labor, what was discussed, what found its way to a funeral. You don't come here and make blanket statements. So can I have a substantiation from the governor to tell us the dates when he was here before this committee, what was discussed before this committee that found its way to a funeral. Otherwise, before you proceed, Chairman, you should withdraw. Because we are not here to politic. And I want to also have him expound what is conflict of interest. Can he state with specificity what he means by saying Senator of numerous conflict?
Chair, if I may give some guidance to the governor. Governor, I think the issues that brought you before this committee were communicated to you in writing. You have responded in that writing. So we want to get that response. So if there are any other issues that you want to raise, you can raise them after you have been able to conclude on this response. But now if you deal with some other extraneous issues, you may not make progress. So I'd rather you withdraw and then you allow
I'm guided, Chairman.
So withdraws and
I
then
can
proceed.
withdraw and bring it after the discussions which proceed.
Yeah, we withdraw, then we proceed with the presentation of the report.
Yes.
Have we withdrawn?
Withdraw, then I'll bring them later.
Yeah, I just wanted to inform my brother, Nyaribo, that I don't think we need to take issues which you have at home and you bring the references here. We are only interested in the issues raised by the Senator. The other extraneous issues, allowance, you will be here in value. Again, whatever the Senator has brought here in terms of his question or his statement is the matter that we are going to deal with. So if I may be kind enough is that I would only advise that let's not get emotional. Let us not look at one another if we are in Nigeria. We are in Nairobi now. The Senator is a member of this committee. And he's here by right. Secondly, he could even not be in this committee, but who is allowed to attend as a friend of this committee. So there's no way we are going to say because of certain issues or interest that he is not supposed to be sitting with us here. He is sitting here by the mandate of the people of Kisi or of Nyaribo. Yes. So
So if you may proceed.